Hey guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to be working on the outdoor deck of my dollhouse. This is going to be really fun. I really want to do like an outdoor stove and something cute like so the dolls can hang out outside. So when I painted my dollhouse, I should have definitely painted this area too, because now I'm realizing that this right here definitely doesn't go with what I'm trying to do. Neither does the other side. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and paint the walls, and then we're going to go ahead and change the floors. You guys already seen how I do this. You do have part one, so I'm gonna do this off camera because in part one you guys can see exactly how I do this already. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera, and then I'll get back with you guys once it's painted and dry. Okay, so I put the floor in and I painted the walls on each side. So now I want to go ahead and put like a little cabinet or like a kind of like a little station where we got parties and put like platters out for the dolls and things like that. And to do that, I'm gonna use this box that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it to the length that I have back here, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover it with wooden contact paper, and then I'm gonna go ahead and glue it to the back of this wall. Okay, so I'm just gonna glue this right in there. Okay, so we have the cabinet part in there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the countertop, and for the countertop, I'm going to use the lid. That was the lid for this box that I used that I cut in half, and I'm just gonna cover this with this scrapbook paper. I got a couple of these from Amazon. I will link it down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover the lid of the top that's gonna go on top of the countertop, and then we're gonna go ahead and glue it right on top. So now that we have our little countertop space, and we're gonna go ahead and make a little tiny grill on this part of the counter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to use a black piece of construction paper and cut a rectangle out of it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down just like that. I'm using kind of like a tacky glue to glue this down because it's paper on paper. It's not like it's on a surface that needs hot glue. So I'm going ahead and glue that on. And if you want to take it a step further, I'm going to go ahead and take two wooden dowels, this black acrylic paint, and I'm going to go ahead and paint the wooden dowels with this acrylic paint right here and let it dry. So while we're letting the wooden dowels dry with the black paint, so while we're waiting for the wooden dowels to dry for our grill, I'm going to go ahead and put some pictures up on the wall just as decoration for the space. I printed these pictures when I first got the dollhouse. I was gonna put it inside, but then when I saw my idea for the balcony, I saved it for the balcony. So let's go ahead and decorate the wall for this. This is what I came up with for the artwork for this wall. I think it's so cute. And I also added this plant that I had from for previous dollhouse that I just had in the dollhouse. I switched this from dollhouse to dollhouse, so I thought it would be cute to make this the permanent home for this plant to be right here, because it goes really good with this color scheme in my opinion. So now let's check and see if our wooden dowels are ready. Also guys, before I finish doing the patio decorations and completing that renovation, I want to show you guys that one of you guys brought to my attention that I had the mirrors backwards in my bathroom, and you guys are completely right, and I'm sorry about that. It was the blue side that you had to peel over, and the other side actually has a sticky adhesive, which is the side that I peeled over in my last video. So if you guys did buy that contact paper, I'm completely sorry. I misunderstood the instruction that it gave me. So just so you know that you have to go ahead and peel it on the blue side, and the sticky part is on the white side of the contact paper. All right, so my wooden dowels are completely dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and hot glue them right across this part right here, the black part that's going to be the grill. So I put the wooden dowels down for the grill part. I still have to add some more dowels, so while I'm waiting for that to dry, I have a little idea. So I want to add a little fireplace. I have this printable from my Froggy stuff, and I kind of want to add a mini fireplace right here under here. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hot glue gun and just hot glue this in place so I can have a mini fireplace right under the grill. Okay, so I added a mini fireplace. So now I'm gonna add some wicker furniture that I got from the thrift store. So I'm gonna add this table right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add one of the 2 chairs that I got. The other chair is gonna go on the other balcony because there's another little tiny balcony that I'm gonna do off camera. And I'm going to put back this plant that I have right here. I was just experimenting, seeing how I move things around. I do want to add some pillows to this chair though, so let's go ahead and do that. So from my vacation diorama, I took out this one right here, which I think will fit cute right there, and I got this flower one right here, which I think will look really cute. So I just want to make that look very cute. I like that. I think that looks adorable. I have a little tiny one. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and put that front right there. I think that's really cute. I like that. I like the look of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this table close by. Actually, I'm gonna sit it right here for now so we can see the fireplace. But you know, as I take pictures, I do move things around. Let me add like a little charcuterie board to the back just to give it like the vibe that I'm going for, to show you guys what I want this room to give. Okay, so I did add one of my charcuterie boards that I did out of Palmer clay. If you guys want to see me make food out of Palmer clay for dolls, just let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, I made that out of Palmer clay one day when I was bored and I was experimenting. So this is pretty much how my balcony and patio came out. I absolutely love it. I wanted to give it a very simple look. I didn't want to go too heavy with this because it is a small space, but I did want to make the most of it to where it looks very beautiful and spacious, and I absolutely love it. I can't wait to take pictures in here. I love my little grill, my little fireplace, and then it has a little countertop, and it has my little artwork on the walls and my wicker furniture, and absolutely love it. I might put another picture right here on the wall, but other than that, absolutely love it. So this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for following me throughout decorating my entire dollhouse. And I will do an entire tour in my video, which will probably be up tomorrow. So I will do a tour of the entire house, and then that'll be the end of our renovation. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you can see when I post videos, so you'll be able to see all of them. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.